Today, I'm going to show you how to use acrylic paint marker and how you can blend color easily using only your finger. And of course, you can also use a brush if you have one available. If you love painting and simple art hacks, this video is definitely for you. But first, we need to draw our character that we are going to color today. While I'm sketching, don't forget that you don't need to make it perfect. Just keep your lines light and simple. You can always fix and adjust it later. This step is all about building the basic shape and proportion. So take your time and enjoy the process. If you draw along with me, pause the video anytime and sketch at your own pace. Now that the sketch is done, it's time to start coloring. But before we jump in, let's quick plan our colors. Choosing the right shades first will make the blend much easier and smoother. For the skin tone, these are the colors that I'm going to use today. First, I'll show you how to blend using a brush. Look closely at the video and see how the colors start to mix as I move the brush back and forth. This helps soften the edge and create a smooth transition between shades. Now, let's start coloring the drawing. I'll begin with dark tone first, then slowly move towards to the light shades. And this is how you will blend using your finger. Just gently tap while the paint is still wet. You don't need to press it too hard. Soft tapping works best and give a natural gradient effect. You can already see the difference and how the smooth blend looks. Now that the head of the character is done, let's move on to the shirt. I'll be using same blending method here. Try to use at least 3 or more shades of color of the same color family for better depth and smooth blending. Try to use at least 3 or more shades of color of the same family for the better depth and smooth blending. This will make your artwork look more realistic and colorful. Next, it's time to color the biggest part of the drawing, the pants. For this one, I'll be using violet tone and adding a flame design to make it more dynamic and eye-catching. I'll start with the dark purple as the base, then blend in the light shade to create a highlight and movement in the flame. This part is really fun, so feel free to get creative with your own designs. Now that the main color are done, it's time to add small details. This step make a huge difference because it adds character, contrast, and extra pop to the artwork. Finally, I'll do the lining and finishing touch to clean up the edges and make the character look more polished and complete. And we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this painting as much as I did. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Comment below if you want more acrylic marker tutorials and blending tips. So now, enjoy the final review, brothers and sisters.